Uh, this is true north. True north. A line of longitude is true north. Let's say that today magnetic north is like that, and it points to the magnetic North Pole. This points to the center of the rotation of the Earth, the true North Pole. And let's say that angle today is 11 degrees, and that's about what it is today in North Carolina, in Onslow County, where I live. But let's say that you're trying to run a deed that was it was done years ago, and magnetic north was 5 degrees off of true north. And I'll show you how to figure that. You can go to this website and find these numbers if you give the zip code of where you're surveying, ngdc.noaa.gov/geomag/declination. And when you get to that website, you'll click where it says declination, calculate, and it'll take you to a different web page, and you can put in your zip code, and after you put in your zip code, it'll give you your latitude and longitude for your zip code, and then you select which year you're working with, and you put in the year, month, and date of when you want it to figure the declination, and then you hit calculate, and it'll give you that 5 degrees or 11 degrees or whatever it is declination from true north as of the date that you gave it. So that's where I get those numbers from. Okay. So let's say you're standing at the property corner, and the line that you want to run is north 40 east, but that was figured from the old deed north, and it was 5 degrees off of true north. It was 6 degrees off of today's magnetic north. So if you were to run that line today with your magnetic compass, what you would want is that angle right there. So you would have to turn 11 minus 5 is 6. You know, that angle right there is 6 degrees. You would have to turn 6 degrees plus the 40 degrees from magnetic north today to run that line in the same place as before. So so you would be running today, by the compass, you would be running north 46 east. if true north is like this, and grid north is I've not figured it, but let's say it's 1 degree east of true north, and the old survey says north 40 east off of grid north. Well, if you're trying to run it with a magnetic compass today, that angle is 11 degrees, that angle is 1 degree. Yeah, 11. This is magnetic today. This is grid north today. Yeah, of course, grid north does not move, a lot like magnetic north moves. So you would have to turn 11 degrees to get to true north, plus 1 degree to get to grid north, plus the 40 degrees that was measured by the old survey. That would be 52 degrees. You would have to run 52 degrees by your magnetic compass, which is that angle right there, off of magnetic north today. Each degree is 60 minutes, and each minute is 60 seconds. Well, you can't read seconds on your magnetic compass. The best you can do on a magnetic compass is about 5 minutes. So if you're a licensed land surveyor doing real surveying, you would have to worry about the seconds and all that. But just to do some rough surveying in the field, like a farmer trying to find his approximate lines, you would not be dealing in seconds. You would be working plus or minus to the nearest 5 minutes with a magnetic compass.